Okay, look at this little fella now. I don't know where he came from, but God's creatures, you guys. Oh, he's dead. Oh my God, he's dead, you guys. Oh, no, he's not. Oh, shit. Oops. Well, he's not dead, but he was in my flowers. This is what I'm doing on this wall, on the side of this wall, this imperfection of a wall. When I had the stairs redone, the guy just, he blended in the bricks, but he left this little piece here, and I wish he would have done something else instead of filling that in, because every time I come out here, to me that is an eyesore. And so what I am doing is starting me a little patch here at the corner of vines and other flowers, and I'm gonna let them keep growing and just grow over this wall so that the imperfection can be gone. And what I will see and my guests will see is nothing but beautiful flowers, vines, and things like that. And so I want to show you guys, I took this out of the other pot, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put him down in this hole right here and let him grow up so that he too can fill in and grow over this wall. And so if you see over here, I already have some of them growing in there, and they filling in really nicely. If you can see, they are really beginning to fill in. I hate coming outside because once you start sweating, these little gnats just start crawling all up on you. So depending on how you are watching this, I'm giving you both versions. I'm gonna go ahead and fill it in right down in here, and basically if you can see those roots, I can just drop them down in there like that, and they will start growing, you guys. But I also can do this, which I'm thinking, and I know I'm tearing the roots, but I've done this so many times